We're starting to record now.
What is that? What is that? Tell the world how you feel.
Hello, everyone. We're getting ready to take a walk, aren't we, Alexandra? Yeah. Say hi to everyone. Hi. Say hi, Lennox. Say hi. Okay. Bye. Say bye. Hi, guys. Apparently there's a concert going on over there at our normal walk-a spot, so it's kind of loud right now, but we got some great Jimmy Johns here. Say hi. There's Alexandra. Hi. She's got chubby cheeks. Alright, we're back walking on the trail in the stroller here, just pushing it, you know, pretty far. As I mentioned, the concert's over there. It's going pretty cool, you know what I'm saying. Alexandra's sleeping, which is nice.
You want to get a waterproof case? Tell me about the waterproof case.
So that when we go to the ocean, I can go deeper than 32 feet.
No.
Have you ever been deeper than 32 feet?
You're not going to do that.
Do you know the deepest I've ever been? 20 feet. Walking across the bridge. Highway with the cars passing behind or underneath us. Got some of the wildlife here sitting in the stroller as we're going across the overpass. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Oh look, there's an abandoned vehicle down there. He's gonna get a citation pretty soon. Just finished our walk. We're back in the car, and now we are getting ready to go get something sweet to eat and then go home, huh?
Woo!